Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, my Veracity family. This video right here is all for you guys. We're going to discuss a lot of different things. What is happening with the price, where we could be going in the immediate short term. Is this a time to worry? That's what we're going to get in today's topic. A very, very urgent update for you guys. A lot of information to cover, so let's get right into it. Looking at the price of Veracity right now, it is currently trading at 0.0073 cents, down 7% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also down about 6.7% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. We're seeing the market valuation for Veracity continue to fall after it hit $100 million. We're currently sitting at $73.2 million after we are seeing the sell-off happen. Obviously, you guys know this is not only happening with Veracity. Across the board, you guys can look right now. Majority, 95% of the altcoins are down right now because of the overall momentum that Bitcoin is in. Looking at the overall buying pressure for Veracity, it is currently trading at $40 million. So that's definitely a good thing to point out for you guys. But now let's shift our focus to the price and see what's happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term, and what's something that I wanted to share with you guys. Before we do that though, I wanted to still remind you guys that the vote is still going on for Veracity to be listed on Bybit. They have this pin on their Twitter. It says Veracity needs your vote in the Bybit official listing competition. 100k Veracity prize pool if we win. Here's how. Number one, you create a Bybit account using the link below, pass level 1 KYC. And number three, deposit $100 or more stablecoin by March 1st of this year to vote. I think they meant 2023 over here, but that's the typo. A lot of people are still stuck in 2022, but I really want them to fix that. Hopefully someone did mention that already, but typos do happen. But now let's get our focus towards the price. Something very interesting has just happened. I wanted to share that with you guys. Before we do jump into the prices though, you guys already know that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. Looking at the price of Veracity right now, you guys can see something very, very interesting and has happened. Look at this wick. Just focus on this wick right here, right now. This is a very, very important thing I want to tell you guys about right now. So, this is a daily time frame. Let's shift our focus towards the hourly. But before we do that, let's bring up the measuring tool for you guys and see how much we have retraced since we hit a yearly high at 1.1 cents. So since the yearly high, we have seen Veracity fall about 37.2%. But as I say that, let's also measure how much it is up since the beginning of the year. It's up 240% even after having this correction. So that's something I want you guys to keep in mind before we do start making any sort of bearish comments. But look what has happened. This is very, very important, and this is something I want you guys to learn. This wick that right here just occurred, you can see we went all the way down to that 5.7 cents mark, and these wicks don't last too long. You can see we picked up 27.36% right after that. Why did this wick happen? This is pure right here. This directly, these kind of wicks, when you see these type of moves happen, this is all futures trading. This is futures trading, and this Veracity is listed on one futures platform, I believe. We can go on markets and look. Yeah, there you go. It's on KuCoin, Gate.io, MEXC Global, and XT.com. So there is derivatives being traded, also futures. So these kind of things can impact the price to fall like this, and this is manipulation. Market cap for Veracity is not high. So in order to manipulate this project, it's really, really, really easy to manipulate it with people with big money. It's really easy for them to do that, and a lot of people must have gotten liquidated that were long on Veracity. This is why I strongly encourage you guys. My viewers are like family to me, so I don't want you guys ever trading futures or going in derivatives, any of that stuff. Leverage, stay away. Spot trade only. Spot trade basically means buy and hold. That's it. None of the leverage stuff, all that, because 98% of the time you will lose your money, and I cannot stress this enough. A lot of influencers, I don't want to name any, they say that you can make a lot of money, and it's not that they're saying the wrong thing. Yes, you can definitely make a lot of money with leverage trading, but at the same time, You can lose that money in a snap of a finger. You've heard that correct. And manipulations like these can literally shake your position out in a snap of a finger if you don't know how to trade. So I would strongly encourage you guys to stay away. But something very bullish has happened. Now you may be saying, after this kind of move, what could have been bullish that happened? Look where the price has found itself again then. Right after this wick did occur, like I said, these wicks don't last too long, but we have found ourselves once again back at that support level, which was a massive level of resistance for us. So what does this tell us? Right off the bat, this tells us that these levels of supports and resistances are extremely important, and this is a perfect example for us right now. So what I would personally like for Verasity to be doing right now is actually closing above the daily, when the day closes for today, we do want to close above this level of resistance, and that's exactly where we're sitting at. If we close below it, then there is a chance to see more downwards momentum occur, in my personal opinion. So it's very important for Verasity to close above there. But remember that Verasity is still up 240% in a year, even after having a 37% pullback from all-time highs. Patience is very much needed. That's why diversification is very important. Having Verasity projects like these, this is a very unique project. If you have done your due diligence and research, you know what I'm talking about. Very unique project that's bringing something very unique to the community that not many people have seen. So in projects like these, you always want to have your entire portfolio diversified. You always want to be holding some coins that are on the safer side with high market valuations, and some all obviously in the low MCAP. And Verasity is considered a low MCAP coin. These projects can move up very fast, and you can literally have your portfolio grow very fast. So it's always great to keep a balance of some large cap, mid cap, and low cap coins. But that does not mean you just go invest in coins that have zero liquidity and just scam coins. Always do your due diligence, see if the project has a community, has a use case, has a working product. This is what you need to look at, not just go in and see like a coin with 200,000 market cap with literally zero liquidity and you buy it. That's not what we're looking at. But overall, I like what I'm seeing here for Verasity. But like I said, I need to see the price close above here at this range, and we are totally fine in my personal opinion. But as I say that, the king of the markets, you guys know I made an urgent update for you guys last night. Bitcoin needs to stay around this range, and most importantly above $22,000 mark. If we go below $22,000 mark, guys, then I turn bearish once again, as you guys know on my channel. I know this is no secret at this point. But that is it for today's update. Let me know down below what you guys are doing right now, where you could see the price of Verasity going at the end of the year, and do you guys like my analysis on it? Do not forget to smash that like button. Road to 100,000 subscribers. Need each and every one of you guys to come join the ZX family. See you guys tomorrow. I've been Crypto ZX, and peace out.